Today we'll show you how to change your picture in your Gmail or Google. Just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe. Okay, first you need only one picture, what you have to change to it, okay? And go to your Google and go here to Gmail, okay guys? And now go to your, this is logo and click here, manage, okay? Or click to here, this to this change your profile picture like this, okay, like this. Or now we will go to here and click to this. Or if you don't have know this and know this, just you go to personal information and go to profile picture, click, and now go to upload from device, click like this and go to your, when you have a picture, and this is our picture, just click to it and wait a few seconds. So now it's good, click next and save as profile picture. And now finally we have, this is a picture here in our profile. Just go here and refresh this page, and finally we have this is a picture in our profile. Okay, just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.